These are 8 expensive mistakes that could destroy your Rivian R2 and cost you thousands in repairs. The R2 is not just another electric SUV, it is Rivian's most important vehicle, the one they have actually been working on since 2017, even before the R1S hit the roads, with first deliveries starting this spring at $57,990 for the performance model. Early adopters need to know what could go catastrophically wrong. Consumer Reports ranked Rivian dead last in reliability, with some owners facing $20,000 battery replacements and vehicles getting bricked just weeks after delivery. But here is the thing, 86% of Rivian owners say they would buy again, because when these vehicles work, they are incredible. The R2 represents everything Rivian learned from the R1's painful growing pains. It is built on an entirely new platform that is 2,000 pounds lighter, with a structural battery pack and unibody design. But that sophistication comes with risks if you do not treat it right. Mistake number 1 is overusing DC fast charging. Your R2's 87.9 kilowatt-hour battery can fast charge from 10% to 80% in just 29 minutes at a peak of 240 kilowatts. That's incredibly convenient, but it is also incredibly damaging if you overdo it. Research from CITA and electric vehicle studies shows that overusing fast charging can degrade your battery by up to 15% over just 3 years. Geotab's extensive fleet data reveals something even more alarming. Vehicles that rely heavily on high-power charging show an estimated 76% battery health after 8 years, compared to 88% for those who primarily use slower charging. The problem is heat. Fast charging generates enormous thermal stress inside those 768 battery cells. Each fast charging session essentially ages your battery faster than normal use. Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe explained their charging strategy, saying they optimize for cost per kilowatt hour rather than maximum charging speed, because their R1 fleet data showed owners average only 10 fast charging sessions per year. Limit fast charging to no more than 20% of your charging sessions. Save it for road trips and emergencies, not your daily routine. Mistake number 2 is regularly charging to 100%. This might be the most common mistake new electric vehicle owners make. The R2's impressive 330-mile range and performance trim makes it tempting to always charge to 100%, but that's battery suicide. Research from the National Battery Research Institute shows that consistently charging to 100% results in 30% more degradation over 3 years compared to keeping your charge between 20 and 80%. Lithium-ion batteries hate being completely full almost as much as they hate being completely empty. There is actually a hidden benefit to not charging fully. It leaves room for regenerative braking energy storage. When your battery is at 100%, regenerative braking gets disabled to prevent overcharging, which means you are literally throwing away free energy and increasing your charging costs. For daily driving with the R2's generous range, an 80% charge gives you over 260 miles, more than enough for most people's daily needs. Save 100% charges for those epic adventure trips the R2 was designed for. Mistake number 3 is letting the battery drain too low. The flip side is just as dangerous. Many owners regularly run their batteries below 10%, thinking it is no big deal. It is a very big deal. Consistently depleting below 10% can reduce battery capacity by an additional 2 to 3% per year beyond normal degradation rates. When lithium-ion batteries hit very low states of charge, irreversible chemical changes occur inside the cells. This creates what is called deep discharge, where dendrites, tiny branch-like structures, grow within the battery and can cause short circuits or permanent damage. The R2's sophisticated battery management system provides plenty of warning, but many owners ignore these alerts. Do not be that person calling Rivian service because your $50,000+ SUV will not start. Mistake number 4 is ignoring temperature extremes. The R2's thermal management system is advanced, but it is not magic. Extreme temperatures are battery killers, and Rivian's warranty actually acknowledges this reality. A comprehensive study across different climate zones found that vehicles regularly exposed to temperatures above 95 degrees or below 20 degrees without proper management showed up to 25% faster degradation rates. High temperatures accelerate chemical degradation, while extreme cold increases internal resistance and reduces charging efficiency. Here is the kicker. Rivian explicitly states that storing your R2 at temperatures below -31 degrees without being plugged in may void your warranty coverage. That is not a suggestion, that is a requirement. Always precondition your battery in extreme weather. The R2's software can prepare the battery pack for optimal charging temperatures, but only if you give it the chance. Mistake number 5 is improper towing and recovery. The R2 is designed for adventure, with 9.6 inches of ground clearance and 4,400 pounds of towing capacity. But do not let that fool you into thinking it is indestructible. One R1S owner learned this the hard way when getting towed from snow resulted in a completely bricked vehicle and a $4,000 repair bill. Despite Rivian marketing these as adventure vehicles, many owners report they are more fragile than advertised. The physics matter here. When towing or recovering your R2, the angle cannot exceed 30 degrees in any direction, and you must pull as straight as possible. The sophisticated all-wheel drive system and electric motors can be damaged by improper recovery techniques. Rivian has explicitly warned against flat towing behind RVS for hundreds of miles, stating it will damage the vehicle. The regenerative braking system and electric motors are not designed for sustained rotation without power management. Mistake number 6 is installing unauthorized modifications. The R2's clean design might tempt you to add accessories or modifications, but this is where things get expensive fast. Rivian's warranty explicitly excludes coverage for defects or damage caused by unauthorized parts or modifications. This is not just about voiding warranty coverage, it is about safety and functionality. The R2's integrated systems are highly complex, from the structural battery pack to the advanced driver assistance features included with the Autonomy Plus subscription at $49.99 per month. Few independent shops can work on Rivian's proprietary systems. You will be entirely dependent on Rivian's service network or mobile service fleet. Installing unauthorized parts could leave you stranded with a vehicle that no one can properly repair. Mistake number 7 is skipping software updates. This might sound minor, but it is critical. Rivian's warranty states that failing to follow software update requirements can void coverage entirely. These are not optional, they are mandatory for continued warranty protection. Software updates bring crucial improvements beyond just new features. Recent updates improved highway assist performance, enhanced cold weather battery management, and fixed critical safety systems. The R2 launches with sophisticated software that requires regular updates to function properly. Most updates take about an hour and can be scheduled for convenience, but they require your vehicle to be parked with sufficient battery range. During installation, your R2 is completely inoperable. Plan accordingly. Rivian learned this lesson the hard way in November 2023 when a fat finger error in an over-the-air update temporarily soft-bricked vehicles across their fleet. The software is complex, and staying current is essential. Mistake number 8 is poor home charging setup. Your home charging setup can make or break your R2 ownership experience. Improper installation or equipment doesn't just reduce efficiency, it can actually damage your battery through inconsistent charging patterns. The Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Association found that 15% of home charging installations have deficiencies that impact both efficiency and safety. Faulty wiring or inadequate circuit protection can reduce charging efficiency by up to 30% and create electrical stress that accelerates battery degradation. The R2 comes with both NACS ports for Tesla superchargers and compatibility with thousands of other charging networks. Home charging will likely be your primary method. Get it right from the start with proper electrical installation and appropriate charging equipment. Consider the R2's vehicle-to-home capability too. The new Energy Management Control module enables your R2 to power your entire house during outages, but only with proper electrical integration. The Rivian R2 represents the future of electric adventure vehicles. Starting at $45,000 for the base model arriving late 2027, it's positioned to democratize electric adventure. But that sophistication comes with responsibility. These 8 mistakes could cost you thousands in repairs, void your warranty, or leave you stranded far from civilization. The good news is, they are all completely avoidable with proper understanding and care. Rivian owners consistently report the highest satisfaction ratings in the industry, even while dealing with reliability challenges. The R2 benefits from everything learned during the R1's difficult early years. Treat it right, and it could be the last SUV you ever need to buy. The adventure starts when your R2 arrives. Make sure you're ready for it.